Planning to upgrade your fireplace with an electric insert? Before you buy, it's crucial to take proper measurements to ensure the perfect fit. In this video, we'll walk you through how to measure for an electric fireplace insert so you can get it right the first time. Start by measuring the height, width, and depth of your existing fireplace opening. You want to make sure the insert fits snugly inside the fireplace cavity. Next, check the clearance requirements. This is important to ensure safe installation without any overheating. Don't forget to consider the fireplace trim or any surround you may have. You'll want to match the insert with the existing fireplace frame for a clean look. If you're installing a vent-free insert, make sure there's enough clearance for proper airflow. After taking all the necessary measurements, you're ready to choose the right electric fireplace insert for your space. Follow these steps to ensure an easy and safe installation and enjoy the warmth and style of your new fireplace. For more fireplace tips and guides, be sure to subscribe.